Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. So today I decided to make this cool fortress over here. I don't know if you guys can see that from in there. Kind of stop breathing into the camera. Yeah, me and my girlfriend both made this fortress. It's not really a fortress, it's more of a reflecting wall. Here, let's just walk up into it. We made like this little trail over here. We got fire here, we got some couch cushions there for some comfort, we got our wood. Whoop. So, took us about an hour and a half to make, but I feel like it might keep us a little bit warmer if we decide to have a fire. Today I'm planning on showing you how to make a fire out of char cloth. Or not make a fire out of char cloth. How to start a fire with char cloth. I already showed you how to make the char cloth in my last video. I've just got here, this is actual like t-shirt char cloth that I made a few years ago. I still have it. I just stockpile it here in this power bait jar. But I'm just gonna go and collect my materials and try and get a fire going on top of this snow-covered fire pit here. And I'll get right back with you. That's probably a good start on that. Alright, so I've got myself a pretty good flat piece here. I'm going to try and get as many of these flat pieces as I can and lay them down like this, just so it makes it easier for the fire to start and it's a dry place for everything to go on top of. So I'm just going to make that one starting. I'm going to kind of throw these out there real quick. Wish I would have emptied my fire pit, but it snowed, so it's kind of too late for that. Okay. Alright, just like that, guys. I think I showed you how to build a fire like this in my how to make char cloth video. But I always like to make a platform here and then put it, or make a platform and then put a big log right here and then lean things up on top of that. Actually, this is bigger log. We'll use this instead. There we go, that's better. Toss that to the side. Okay. I'm gonna grab my Mora here. Make some feather sticks real quick. Woo. I'll set that over here. That's a pretty good feather stick there, guys. Set that in here. I usually like to make a little pile of everything in one spot there. Keep all of my stuff separate and ready to go when I do get it going. I have a nice pile of feather sticks here, and all I'm going to do is just reach down here and grab about half the dry grass that I collected a few days ago. And just get it all like that. And just set it right on this side. Here, I'll rotate it for you guys. Set it right on this side of the wall. And grab your sticks here. And you're just going to lean it up. I'll just do that for now. Set these right here on the side, and I'll definitely split some more. Okay. I'm gonna grab this here. Here we go, chair. Just wanna get as much of this as all fibered up as you can. The more fibered up it is, the easier it will be to light. Okay. Now, for char cloth, I usually do a pretty decent sized bundle, or a decent sized ball here. Helps me get that fire going a little bit better. Gives me a good coal. That, and it's super easy to make, and it's a lifetime supply of organic materials out there. Okay, just grab your flint and steel. Now this stuff, as I showed you in the how to make char cloth video, it's super easy to light. With any spark, it'll light. And I apologize if there's a lot of fog in the camera. It's like, what, -6, -7 degrees Fahrenheit out here. So it's pretty chilly. I'm kind of excited to get this fire going, and I want to see if this will work. So I'm just gonna come down here and give that a good spark. Okay. I already got a little bit of a burn down there. I can get that going. I can work with that. Let's push that into the grass here. I can get this going here. Trying not to smother it here. There it goes. Oh. Here you go, guys. You see the fire? That's how you get it going with char cloth. Let it burn up here a little bit. And just lift up the grass. Kind of replace it here. Just set all that grass on top. Smoking us out here. Woo! Just grab your feather sticks and set those on top here. And start leading your dry materials, anything you've got to keep this fire going. But you have to make sure that whatever tinder you're using is dry. If it's not dry, it probably won't work. I'm going to split up some more wood, or actually put this wood on top of it real quick. Woo! I lost my eyebrows. No, just kidding. You feel warm?
Yeah.
Yeah? I feel like the reflecting snow wall that we made is working.
Get better.
Yeah, I'm just gonna split some more wood for you guys and I'll get right back with you. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you start a fire with char cloth there. I threw some more wood on the fire. You just pretty much keep getting bigger with your pieces, and then once you notice this kind of burned down a little bit, then you can kind of start doing like a little Lincoln log cabin type of thing on it. And you start putting logs about that big on there, and it'll burn forever, and it'll burn hot just like this right now. So my idea around this reflecting wall here, if you ever do get a lot of snow and you're in a survival situation where there's a lot of snow, build a reflecting wall. Try to do it like this, or even just one side panel, you know, on the other side of your fire, or just around you anywhere. It can keep you super warm. Like, I'd say it's what, 30 degrees warmer here than it is out there? Probably. I mean, I think so. So, definitely recommend this in a survival situation. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and drop a comment. If you guys got any questions for any later videos for me, or just got questions in general, go ahead and drop them down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like things like this. I also do a lot of trout fishing, a lot of cool little how-tos on fishing. I can pretty much teach you anything about that. So I'm Corey from Corey Survival, and keep living, guys.